Okay, continue. Similarly, he should focus his attention on the most undesirable character traits that he possesses and try to heal them, as we have suggested. For every person surely possesses shortcomings, as the philosophers have said. It is highly unlikely to find a person who by nature possesses all virtues. There is innately has both emotional and intellectual qualities that are developed. Okay, so let's. Okay, so now it's very deep stuff. Let's go to the beginning of this paragraph, and then we're going to explain. So Rambam says, similarly, he should focus his attention to the most undesirable character traits that he possesses and try to heal them, as we have suggested. So don't. Okay, of course there are many small character traits, and it's they're very important to work on. But like when person like has like very bad character traits, like big ones, so start working on them. And in the process of working, as Rambam explained, so they're going to like all of the small problems are going to fall away. Maybe yes, maybe no, but many of them. I mean, not maybe yes, like many of them, but not all. Okay, so try to like to work on the worst character trait, and by this you're going to get more merits from HaShem, and HaShem is going to help. Of course, you always. Rambam doesn't say it here, but you always have to pray for mercy and for assistance of HaShem. Right, and that's when our merits of our great forefathers, Abraham, Yitzhak, and Yaakov, they kick in. Right here, that you ask HaShem to like revive or to make stronger to ourselves this connection to our forefathers, because of our forefathers, they went through all of this tests and they were able to overcome. Right, and as we said before, we have the spiritual DNA to do the same, right? But you need some little push from HaShem. Okay, continue. And you ask for push. So this push is actually assistance. Okay, so work on a big one. For every person surely possesses shortcomings. So that's there is no ideal person. So if there are no shortcomings, maybe HaShem is going to take him, right? Even Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, after staying in this cave for 13 years, so he came out and he was enraged with the people that were working in the field. Do you understand? And he burned them with his holiness. How come they work in picking up the vegetables instead of relying on HaShem for parnasa and sitting and learning Torah all the day long? Right, so okay, so HaShem said, that's in my world, that's for shortcoming. You go back to the cave when you cool off. I'm going to let you out. You understand? So even he had little shortcomings. Otherwise, we have okay. Okay, continue. As a philosopher have said, I'm not sure who is this philosopher. Doesn't matter. Okay. He said, okay, continue. It is highly unlikely to find a person who by nature possesses all the virtues. There is, I mean, all virtues, of course, that's why we have to work on ourselves. So, like, if some of your virtues, look, and I would say the opposite is also true. There is no person like completely bad, right? Okay, some things that he possesses is good virtues. There is innately has both emotional and intellectual qualities that are developed. Okay, continue.